If you don't want to keep paying for Discord Nitro, here's how to cancel the subscription directly from your iPhone or Android. First, open the Discord app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now from this page, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down and look for Manage Nitro, then tap on it. Once you're on the Nitro page, tap the gear icon again. Under the subscription section, you'll see the option Switch Plans or Cancel Your Nitro Subscription. Just tap on that. You'll now be redirected to a browser page to manage your subscription. But in your case, if the page doesn't load properly, simply refresh it until the subscription details appear. When the page fully loads, you'll see the Cancel option right next to your Nitro subscription. Tap on Cancel, then choose Continue. And now for the final step, confirm your cancelization to complete the process. So that's the simple way to cancel your Discord Nitro subscription.